I am Mr. Finance. Your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe. Hey guys, Mr. Finance here, your favorite financial educator and business coach. So I just want to go over a little bit about how my day was, how cool it was. You know, this is me. I was over here masterminding, thinking that, man, maybe I should go to the beach and work from the beach today. I was waiting for my son to come home from school, and then that didn't happen. And then we ended up staying home and just work from home. And then something hit me and said, hey, let's go get some ice cream and go visit my mom. You know, and then I found this really awesome video on my Snapchat with me and my daughter. Love her to death. She's so pretty. Ain't she pretty? Budgeting is not tracking spending. I hear a lot of people keep saying this. Budgeting is tracking spending. No, budgeting is knowing how much you can save and how much you can spend before you do either one of them. Once you know those things, then you could track it. Click the link to learn more. So this is me and Crystal at a really cool event where we're supporting a friend of hers, our business. It was really, really cool. Then we went to this place down in West Palm that really would look like it was an avatar. I had a lot of fun. I felt like a tourist. I was going crazy because I was like, man, it's so cool. I was thinking about me and my cousin's kids could really have a great time here on a Sunday evening or something. It was really nice here. Loving it, guys. I must tell you, go check it out. So yes, I'm here with Crystal. Show me around Florida.
West Palm Beach, not
West
Florida.
Palm Beach.
So we can't do the whole of Florida tonight.
She showed me say you're so nice. Watch it. Them have a lot fancy chair, now guys. Fancy chair. Watch it. Watch it. Nicey. Oh God. I never know Florida so nice. So as you can tell, this little New Jersey boy really loving this Florida vibe. It's really, really cool there. Very, very fancy. I like the environment. It was really, really nice. Definitely up to my speed, my type of thing. You know, I really love it. It was very bougie, but it was very, really nice. I definitely encourage everybody should go down there and check it out because it was really cool, man. I had a lot of good time. So now we're walking to this restaurant. Really, really nice restaurant as well. Pretty cool spot. Really, really enjoyed it. It was a very, very nice scenery. And check out the view, guys. Check out the view. The view is to die for. Die for. All right. Really, really, really nice spot, man. I'm telling you guys, you really got to check it out. That little tree thing is really cool. I would love something like that in my backyard, by the way. You know, definitely be a cool thing. So we sat down. We was about to order some food. We asked the waiter to take some pictures because, you know, I'm still fascinated by the whole tree. Really, really nice. And then I got a flat coming home. And as I got home, I was really, really tired. And you know what? It was a really good day and very productive. Had a lot of fun. Great memories. Stop calling it a tax refund. Ain't no refund about your taxes. All your taxes is saying that you paid too much in taxes for the year, didn't understand how to itemize, and your job probably told you to put 0. Yeah. But many of you refuse to collect the money that you needed in the current moment. And you delay it to the end of the year, and then you file taxes. And most of you don't even file your taxes properly because you're not even getting back all your money that you're supposed to get. So because of that decision, you guys get so excited and call it a tax refund. When people at the IRS, what they're saying is that, hey, look at these guys. They didn't even know how to collect their money while they have it. So many of us struggled for the whole year to wait to the end of the year to get some refund. And you call it tax refund. IRS is like, thank you. Thank you for giving us your money. Want to learn more? Click the link in my bio. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.